In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete or close PayPal account permanently. So once you open your PayPal account on any browsers that you have, just follow these steps. So tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right and select Profile Settings. So under the Login and Security, there's an option Close Account. Just go ahead and tap that one. So in here, just go ahead and press Continue. And then they are going to ask you a reason for closing this account. So just answer that one. Select your answer here. And once done, just click on Continue. And for the last time, they're going to ask you if you really wanted to close your account. So just click on Continue. And then for the last step, tap Confirm. And that's it. That's how to delete or close PayPal account permanently. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.